It's handle time. Specifically, we're going to assemble parts of the exterior handle. Now, the instructions say to make sure to put a bushing, which is like a washer, but this one has a wide side and a thin side. The wide side goes towards the handle. Next, take the exterior strike, orient the handle generally in the direction you want it to go. Then on the inside, put a flat bushing, more like a washer, onto the handle, and then lock all that in with a D-ring. That slides right over, nice and easy.